You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word. Both British and American English pronunciations are similar here. Let's break it down. Listen carefully. Congestion. Congestion. I know the spelling makes it a bit confusing because the sounds are quite different from the spelling. So the stress is on the second syllable, the ges syllable. So it's not con. Congestion. Chun. Congestion. Congestion. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.